Hello, this is Jackie from So Obsessed.
And I'm Jen.
And I'm going to show you today, or we're going to show you today, Quilty Helpurrs, as in cats purring. And we've got the half-yard bundle here with 10 SKUs in it. And let's just see here what we've got. We've got some nice sewing machine sort of motif. Oh, it all is sewing, isn't it? Yeah.
Sweary kind of words on that one.
Oh, is there?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That's got some. Oh, yeah, there is some.
When you sew enough, you're quite familiar with those words.
Yes, I think I've said that a few times. Oh,
I think that one is
I love that one.
So cute.
That is so cute.
It's got the classic tomato pincushion.
Yeah, that looks really good. We got some stars on there. And then we've got, again, we've got the the dress forms on that.
Here, I'll just move these.
Oh, thank you. Oh, this one's nice. Nice and bright. I think I had a top like that in the 70s.
Yeah, that one's super sweet.
And this one, we've got cookies.
I like this one. It's called Cookies or Sewing.
Oh,
and it's like the.
No,
I think everybody that's grown up with a sew list in their life, there's always this cookie tin that's got all of your sewing stuff in there.
We got our little busy bee here.
Yeah, with spools of thread.
And then here's the cat one who's in the cookie tin, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah.
Right? So yeah, there you go. It's a really nice selection of colors there.
So 10 half yards. So make like a really, really cute like sewing machine cover.
Oh yeah,
pillows. There's lots of things that you can do that are kind of on like the decorative side. And with 1.5 of these lighter colors, you could use it as a background. I can see like a bag in that.
Oh yeah, that would be nice for sure.
Like the mini duffel pattern, or what else have I seen? I don't know. There's just a bunch of little patchwork bags. I think that this would be really cute, and you can keep your sewing stuff in it.
That would be nice to have that.
But yeah, one of those tote bags, with like the 2.5-inch square pattern, like square. What am I trying to say? The little patchwork patterns on it. Take all your sewing stuff in it on retreat. I think this would just be so cute.
Excellent.
Yeah, so these are available online right now. So visit us at soobsessed.ca and take a look at this bundle. Thanks for watching today, and we'll see you in the next video.
Have a good day.